Hey everybody, my name is Mike. I'm just made a short video about my homemade oil burner. I used the tank from a old well. It's a old pressurized tank, and just some regular plumbing parts I found around the house. I took a blower motor from an aero bed and ran it through some pipe, and I used a cast iron pot in the bottom of the burner, and I just got it lit, so my pot's in there, and right above the pot you can see that I have the oil going into it and an elbow with my air line to blow air in there. Back up a little bit, and the stack I paid about 25 bucks for. Got it at local hardware store. I also used some chimney paste to help seal the gaps. And I ran it out my window. Didn't want to punch a hole in the roof. And this is my oil inlet here. I used out of a piece of copper. And this is the elbow going in. And both the oil feed and the air feed are right in the middle of the tank. And this is my adjustment for the flow. And a 5-gallon tank for the used motor oil in here. And this is my whole setup. It's about 22 degrees below zero right now, and we're going to get it cranked up. I also have a fan to help spread the warm air out. And these are just some simple parts that I got from around my house. And so we're going to go ahead and turn the fan on, and let's see what happens. It's already starting to warm up a little bit. Oil's going to start flowing a little bit better. And you can hear it and see it, that it's going to start getting a little bit more aggressive by the minute. And eventually that whole pot and everything will be glowing red. And you can use any kind of oil. You can use cooking oil, motor oil. I went with a bigger diameter feed on my particular setup. I used a thinner feed before, which was a copper, and because of the cold temp, it ran real slow and couldn't feed the heater as fast as I needed it to. So, and this is starting to crank up pretty good now. You can see the oil dripping right into the middle of it, and this works very well. And as that oil gets real hot in there, it's really going to start putting out some big heat. I use it and I heat my whole pole barn with it. Works great. Like I said, I got a fan in the back to help spread the air, which I'm going to turn that on. And there it goes. I do have a replacement motor for that particular one in case something happens. I got an old vacuum cleaner motor. Little one, kind of quiet, and that would do the same thing. Always make sure you keep a fire extinguisher close by. Not that I think anything will happen, but you never know, just in case. So, it's going real good now. And really start taking off here pretty soon. I made the door myself. I just welded an old wrench on there and a little latch so I can close it, and I usually run it with it open, and you know, I don't get any smoke or any kind of anything like that coming out of it. Took me a little bit to burn all the paint. The thing got so hot it was glowing red, and I just wanted to see how hot I could get it, and it burned all the paint off pretty quick. So nice little setup though, if you don't want to spend a lot of money. The other thing I also do, sometimes on the top of the tank, I'll lay an old brake caliper up there to help, you know, help hold the heat, and so it'll radiate more heat. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to post, and hope you enjoyed. Thanks, bye.